Welcome to Ocean Reserve, your exclusive gateway to the vibrant heart of Sunny Isles Beach. To secure your escape to this coastal paradise, simply scan the QR code displayed now, or find the booking details in the description below. Perched on the 14th floor, Ocean Reserve offers an unrivaled ocean view, a breathtaking panorama that stretches as far as the eye can see. This extraordinary residence, known as STR00454, is just 500 meters from the sun-kissed sands of Sunny Isles Beach, inviting you to indulge in the ultimate beachfront experience. Step inside and be captivated by a spacious apartment meticulously crafted for your comfort and pleasure. Two exquisite bedrooms await, each designed with bespoke furnishings and luxurious linens. The living room, bathed in natural light, flows seamlessly onto a private terrace, offering an idyllic setting to savor the mesmerizing sea views. The fully equipped kitchen, complete with a dishwasher and oven, allows you to create culinary masterpieces, while two elegant bathrooms, featuring walk-in showers and a sumptuous soaking tub, provide a sanctuary for relaxation. Throughout the residence, air conditioning ensures a perfect climate, while a dedicated dressing room offers ample space for your wardrobe. Beyond your private sanctuary, a world of exclusive amenities awaits. Take a refreshing dip in the year-round outdoor pool, or challenge friends to a game of pool or table tennis. For those seeking to maintain their wellness routine, a state-of-the-art gym is available. Enjoy convenient access to a coffee shop and a mini-market, enhancing your stay with effortless convenience. Engage in a friendly match on the tennis court, or unwind with a barbecue. The apartment also offers free Wi-Fi and parking, and a 24-hour reception desk and elevator provides seamless guest service. Ocean Reserve's proximity to Hard Rock Stadium and the Holocaust Memorial makes it an ideal launchpad for exploring the best Miami has to offer. With Fort Lauderdale-Hollywood International Airport just a short drive away, your arrival and departure will be as smooth as the ocean breeze. Ocean Reserve, with its unparalleled ocean views, luxurious amenities, and prime location, offers an unforgettable Miami experience. Ready to elevate your vacation? Don't delay. Secure your reservation now with a quick scan of the QR code.